Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly Euro dollar, I still think this right here is an uptrend. I still believe we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C, which I think is part of an expanding flat wave C, which I do believe will make 5 ways up. Most likely take out these highs. I still think that it's going to end up going all the way up to one of these Fibonacci extension levels before we actually do make a bigger move to the downside. So let's head down to that weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we've definitely been going down pretty strong pretty much all year so far, but I still think this looks like a 1, I still think this looks like a 2, and I still believe eventually it's going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, just like what I was showing on that monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last push up, which I still think is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I still think this is an ABC of 2. The question is whether or not this wave 2 is actually over. I'm a big believer that this is not over, that it needs to go down at least one more time, make that double bottom at the 61.8 before it actually goes up, breaks structure to the upside, and most likely continues the uptrend. So I'm definitely still a big believer that this does need to go down at least a little bit more before we get the end of this wave 2. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks pretty corrective to me. It's pretty overlapping. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did pop up one more time, but I definitely am still primarily looking for sorts in a downtrend. I still believe it needs to go down at least to the 61.8. I still think this could be like a 3, 4, 5 of a bigger pattern, almost like a ending diagonal. Like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C, which would make a lot of sense for me if this really was an ending diagonal and we're currently in the wave 4 of wave C, and we need to go down one more time to make that wave 5 of wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a little bit of a three-way pattern up right here, and it definitely is respecting the 78.6. It looks like it's the end of a crescent. I am a little cautious about this because I almost think it could go up and take out this high right here, maybe even do something like that before it goes down. But it does right now look like the end of an ABC, so as long as it doesn't turn into a bullish engulfing move, I would definitely still be looking for sorts in a downtrend. I'm still very, very bearish on the longer time frames. I'm definitely still looking for sorts on these shorter time frames at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, be a little bit careful because I wouldn't be surprised if it did go up and grab the liquidity at this high before it actually does go down. But even if it does, I am very bearish on this, and I'm definitely still looking for sorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.